Have you ever noticed that the moment you stop chasing him, he suddenly starts missing you? But why does this happen? Is it love? Is it psychology? Or is it just his ego? There's a hidden trigger in a man's mind that makes him start longing for you, sometimes even obsessing over you. And here's the craziest part. Most women do the exact opposite of what actually makes a man miss them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to make him miss you more than ever before. And trust me, it's not what you think. Section 1. When you create emotional contrast. Have you ever heard the saying, "You don't know what you have until it's gone"? Well, that's not just a saying, it's psychology. When something is always there, we start to take it for granted. But the moment it feels like it's slipping away, our brain reacts with urgency. This is called psychological reactance. Men, just like anyone else, crave freedom. But when they feel they're losing someone they care about, their emotions intensify. That's why when you pull back, even just a little, he starts to notice your absence. The comfortable routine he had with you suddenly changes, and that contrast makes him realize how much he misses you. The key? You don't have to completely disappear. Just stop being overly available. When you create space, he fills it with thoughts of you. Section 2. When you stop chasing and let him pursue. The truth is, men are wired to value what they have to work for. When something is too easy, it doesn't trigger their desire to chase. That's where most people go wrong. Texting too much, always being available, trying to prove their worth. But in reality, that only makes him take you for granted. This is called the scarcity principle in psychology. The less accessible something is, the more valuable it becomes. When you stop chasing, when you stop initiating all the conversations, he starts feeling the distance. And suddenly, he realizes your presence isn't guaranteed. This isn't about playing games. It's about shifting the energy. Instead of proving your worth, you become the woman he wants to win over. And that's when he starts missing you. Section 3. When you trigger nostalgia. Have you ever heard a song, smelled a familiar scent, or revisited a place, and suddenly memories come rushing back? That's nostalgia, a powerful emotional trigger. And when it comes to love, nostalgia can make a man miss you even more than he realizes. Psychologically, men tend to associate emotions with past experiences rather than processing them in the moment. So he might not fully appreciate you while you're around. But once you're gone, little reminders start bringing back all the good times. A certain song, an inside joke, even the way you used to say his name. These small triggers make him relive the connection he had with you. And before he knows it, he's missing you without even understanding why. The best part? You don't have to do anything. Just let the memories do the work. Section 4. When you level up and focus on yourself. Here's a secret most people don't realize. Men don't just miss you because you're gone. They miss you when they see you thriving without them. It's called the glow-up effect. When you stop waiting, stop overthinking, and start focusing on yourself, something changes. You become more confident, more magnetic, and suddenly, he starts paying attention. Psychologically, we're drawn to people who radiate happiness and self-assurance. When a man sees that you're not chasing him, but instead you're leveling up, whether it's your mindset, your appearance, or your life, his curiosity kicks in. He wonders, wait, did I make a mistake? Was she always this amazing? And that's when he starts missing you, not just for who you were, but for the new unstoppable version of you. The twist, when he sees another man interested in you. You want to know what really makes a man wake up and realize what he lost? Seeing someone else appreciate what he took for granted. It's called social proof in psychology. People assign higher value to things that others desire. And when a man sees another person showing interest in you, whether it's real or just perceived, his competitive instincts kick in. Suddenly he starts wondering, was she more special than I realized? Did I take her for granted? Even if he wasn't sure about his feelings before, the idea of losing you to someone else forces him to reevaluate. And just like that, he starts missing you in a way he never did before. But here's the key. You don't have to force it. Just focus on being your best self, and the right people will naturally be drawn to you. And when that happens, trust me, he'll notice. So there you have it, the psychological triggers that make a man miss you more than ever before. It's not about playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about understanding the psychology behind attraction, distance, and desire. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever noticed any of these signs with a guy you were seeing? Or maybe you've done one of these things and it worked. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I've got more love psychology secrets coming your way, and next time, we'll dive into how to make him regret losing you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, when you know how love works, you can make it work for you.